Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing consistent early income and map coverage. Place a dart monkey at the choke and add glue to stall vortex balloons quickly. This combination conserves cash. Buy 1 or 2 banana farms only if you intend to eco. Aim for at least 2 by round 30 to justify time spent. Once done, make sure your towers overlap the vortex path so you always hit grouped leads. This prevents early leaks and funds your mid-game upgrades without stalling the flow. You now shift to higher damage solutions while preserving economy. Add an ice tower to freeze grouped vortex balloons and place a monkey village to grant commo detection and discount upgrades. This lets your DPS towers focus. Prioritize a bomb shooter or super monkey as your main damage dealer, upgrading incrementally so you avoid cash spikes. Make sure to keep at least 1 farm upgraded to produce steady income. Balance spending so you can react quickly when fortified balloons or ceramics appear. You finish by stacking late-game damage and utility to counter the vortex's heavy waves. Add 2 high-tier towers, one focused on Moab-class damage and one for rapid multi-target hits, while keeping Monkey Village buffs active. This combination kills bosses fast. Use cash to buy specific counters like Commo Paragon or high-level bomb upgrades if rounds spike. If leaks happen, immediately add lead popping or increased range village coverage and sell underperformers. This corrective step stabilizes your defense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.